Welcome back, children. This is Srinivasan here. We are discussing exercise 1.1, 12th problem, relations and functions chapter. The question says, show that relation R in set of A of all triangles as T1, T2 is equal. T1 is similar to T2, where T stands for triangles. Okay, is an equivalence relation. Up to this, we will see, children. The question is bigger. The sum is very simple. So we'll see up to this one. We are going to show that our relation R is an equivalence relation. What is equivalent relation? We have to show that symmetric, transitive, and you have to show reflexive. Okay, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Okay, before going to that, you understand that set A of all triangles are there in the set A. Imagine right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right triangle, all those triangles are there in set A. Now relation R, you are going to talk about the triangles T1, T2. T1 is similar to T2. Let us start with that. Let us take one triangle T1 belongs to A. The set of all triangles are there. I have taken one triangle T1 belongs to A. Now I say T1 is similar to T1, correct? I take one triangle and compare with the same triangle, then it must be similar. What is the similar triangles? The corresponding side should be proportional and corresponding angle should be same, right? So T1 is similar to T1. Okay, which means T1, T1. When the triangles are similar, they should be in the relation R. So it belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive. See, children, as I told how simple it is. Now take two triangles to prove symmetry. T1, T2 belongs to A. Okay, children. Now, how you should take such a way that T1, T2 should be there in R. That means T1 should be similar to T2. That is, T1 is similar to T2. So T1 is similar to T2 means this implies T2 is similar to T1. The triangle T2 is similar to T1. Similar triangle very easily you can understand. Take two triangles. They are similar means we can keep one over the other. I say T1 is similar to T2. So now I am keeping the triangle up. They will match. So T2 is similar to T1. Which means this implies T2, T1 will also belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. I told you, no, children, this is very easy question. Okay. Now to prove transitive, how many you have to take? You have to take 3. 1, 2, 3. So T1, T2, T3 belongs to the set A. This is a set of all triangles are there. Such a way, how you should take T1 should be similar to T2, which means T1, T2 belongs to R, and T2, T3 belongs to R, which means T2 and T3 are similar. I take two triangles T1, T2, they are similar. One over the other, they are matching. Okay. Now I take the second triangle, third triangle, I say they are matching. Okay. Which means the first triangle, third triangle will also match, which means it is similar. Therefore, this implies T1, you can write, first one statement you will write, T1 is similar to T3. Therefore, T1, T3 also will be there in R, which proves that R is transitive. That's all. You completed. So, symmetry, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. From above, we can write R is an equivalence relation. This completes the first part, children. We have finished. Now take the second part. Consider three right angle triangles T1 with sides 3, 4, 5, T2 with sides 5, 12, 13, T3, the third triangle with sides 6, 8, 10. Which triangles among these are related? What we know about similar triangles? Similar triangles, the sides must be proportional, right? So in these two values, which you see they are proportional. So do you think the 3 and 5, 4 and 12 are proportional? No, it is not possible. Whereas 3 by 6, yes, 1 by 2. What about 4 by 8? Is 1 by 2. 5 by 10, I am taking 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. So they are proportional. Therefore, the triangle T1 and T3 are proportional. So T1 is similar to triangle T3, which means T1, T3 must be in this relation R. Obviously, similar triangles will be there in R. So T1 is similar to T3. So it will be there. So corresponding sides are proportional, then the triangles are similar. That you can make a note of that. Again I repeat, when the corresponding sides are proportional, then the triangles are similar. That is the concept of similar triangle. Thank you, children. This completes the solution.